So today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the service light on a Mini. Check out my other video where I show you how to service the Mini. But yeah, what we've got to do is start it up. Okay, so with the engine running, we have to hold this button here. Then we can select with the BC button on the stalk various parts of the service schedule. On this case, I want to reset the oil, so I'm going to hold the BC button. It's going to give me the option to reset, and then I'm going to press it once more. There we go. So I had to actually hold it, not press it. And now it's been reset to 18,000 miles. Now when we start it back up, no service light. So hopefully that's of use to you. Do consider subscribing if that was helpful, or at least giving me a like. I've got plenty of interesting projects on the channel, so feel free to check them out, such as my Evo 10 I'm currently doing up, and always how-tos on Minis and other cars as well. So yeah, cheers guys.